Good day, everybody. These guys sent me these wireless earbuds to unbox and review. Let's check it out. All right, here's what you get in the box. You get the earbuds in here with the case and the charger, USB connector, and that just goes right down there. It's got a pretty neat look to them. Here's the left one. Yeah, I can already tell these ones, as far as the profile on them goes, I like these because I have some Bose ones too, but they stick out like that far. These are a lot more sleek than the Bose ones. The very first thing we want to do is pull these out of the case and remove the insulating film that goes over it. That's that blue piece there. Take those off. There's with the blue piece removed. Now the next thing to do is just go ahead and put them back in there. Earbud goes down. Same with this one, bud facing down. So now they're in charging mode. You can see that with the lights on there. Yeah, the cool thing about these, they automatically turn on and interconnect. Now, when you take them out in the earbuds, if they won't turn on or make any sound, put them back in the case and then close the cover, and then we'll ensure that that it's in charging status. Then we'll open the case cover again and use them. If the indicator light flashes red and white lights alternately, okay, that's what we want. There's the white and red flashing light. Now we'll go ahead and put it back in there and we'll sync these up to the Bluetooth with our phone. As I was charging this right now, this is exactly what I saw, this NC-1, and I just clicked on it and now it's hooked up via Bluetooth. Oh my goodness. I'm listening to some music right now with these things. I got them both in my ears and they sound amazing. Super good. They're noise canceling. They sound as good as any earbuds out there. Freaking awesome. These are great. Look how small they are too. I mean, the profile on them. Yeah, so you can take calls on these. So some of these are the manual controls on this. To answer a call on there, you press the left or the right one twice. To hang up, press it twice. Reject a call, press the left or right one. Yeah, it's pretty nice as far as playing the music. You can, you know, I operate my stuff off my phone, but you can do it with the earbuds too. Left or right earbud for the previous song, press it 3 times. 2 times for the next song, on the left or right one. Pause or play, you just press it once. And then you can use the Siri voice assistant with these too. And you just press it 4 times on the left or right earbud. All right, ANC stands for active noise cancellation. So if you want to turn it off or on, you'll have to press either one for 2 seconds. That oval right there on the side of the earbud, that's what you want to press. That's what they call the MFB touch panel. And that's how you make all your adjustments, is right in that oval there, by touching that. And by default, when you first turn these things on, the active noise canceling is in the off mode. So you'll have to turn it on if you want noise cancellation, which I will be using. Okay, now just to charge them, we just put them right back in there. Just plug them back in there, and then we'll put this on our the charger, charge them up. All right, as far as charging these, you can put your earbuds back in here and it will charge them back up, but eventually the case will run out of batteries, and so you'll need to plug it in with this. So that's always a good idea, is just when you plug them in and charge them, if you can, plug it in. All right, I recommend you keep these set of directions here, because there is a series and a sequence of indicating lights, and they all mean different things. So I won't go through every one of these, but I'm leaving it on here so you can kind of look in case you lose your pamphlet here, or in case I do need to refer back to this. This will kind of tell you what each of the indicating lights does and what it means. That is it for these cool NC-1 wireless earbuds. Pick these up, guys. These things work great. They sound good. They're low profile, lightweight, wireless. Nice earbuds. So yeah, check them out. Pick you up a pair. All right. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, hit me up.